welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, I'm Miriam J. Nice to meet you. Make sure you subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and get right into this video real quick, but first I wanted to make a point that I have almond shaped eyes and a very exposed eyelid. I have what many people consider a monolid, meaning I don't have a crease that separates my eyelid into two. So if you have hooded eyelids, meaning you have extra skin that kind of droops over your eyelid, this tutorial will still help you. You just might have to tweak it a little bit. So if you guys want to know how I do my wing eyeliner, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Alright, so I'm taking out my applicator and I'm just wiping off the excess products. So I take the applicator. I'm gonna get close and personal, guys. So I'm gonna put my pinky on my face just for a little leverage because I want all the movement to be in my fingers, not in my arm. Alright, I'm gonna start at the outer corner of my eye and draw a straight line. Very light hand. Boom. Alright. I'm gonna get a little bit more product from the edges. Okay, I'm gonna hit it from the top now. I'm not gonna go all the way to the tip. I'm gonna go like 75% in. Right here. I'm gonna bring it in. Like that. And always remember, before you start your liner, you gotta speak positivity into the universe. You can't say, I'm gonna f this up, I'm gonna f this up. You gotta say, I'm gonna kill my eyeliner today. I'm gonna kill my eyeliner today. And you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna kill your eyeliner today. All right, let's go. Now I'm gonna fill in this wing. All right, everything is filled in. Now I'm gonna hit the middle of my upper lash line. So I'm gonna go in the middle and I'm gonna connect it. I did a very thin line. One mistake a lot of people make, they try to go from the beginning all the way to the end. No, start at the end and work your way to the beginning. So I started here, ended up here, brought it in here, filled it in, then I continued here and connected it there. So baby steps. We're not gonna go to the beginning yet. We're gonna go 25% in and connect it. Small lines, guys. Start small. Don't get ahead of yourself. Take your time. This is very nerve-wracking, but we got this. All right, let's go. Now we're gonna go in the inner corner. Baby steps. I'm in the inner corner and I'm gonna connect it. Small lines. Look at that. Now I like to do a cat eye, meaning I'm gonna add a tiny, tiny tail in my inner corner. I'm gonna take the line from my inner corner and bring it towards my nose. Just a tiny, tiny line. Like that. Super tiny lines. Okay, so now I've decided that I want it a tiny bit thicker towards the end of my eyelid. Like I told you guys before, start small and then build from there. It's easier to add than it is to take away. So I'm gonna start from the middle. I'm gonna work my way towards the end. And you have a nice wing. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara immediately because my eyelashes have eyeliner on them right now and it's wet. The last thing I want is for it to dry, and then when I go in to put mascara on later, it's gonna start clumping up. You don't want that. Get it while it's wet. All right, now let's do the other eye. If you don't get it right the first time, just keep practicing. And if you mess up, it's okay. Just have some concealer and a concealer brush on deck. I used a Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan Sand. And I got this brush from Walgreens for like $1, and it's by Wet n Wild's. I like this brush because it's really small and it's tightly packed, so you can literally like cut a clear line if you mess up. But remember, you're not gonna mess up because you're going to speak positivity into the universe. You're gonna kill your eyeliner today. You're gonna kill your eyeliner today. Now, if you're the type that doesn't really like a dramatic look, or you have naturally long eyelashes, you can just pop on some mascara and go. I like a bit of a dramatic look, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes real quick. If you guys are interested in how to properly apply your eyelashes, I do have one of my videos linked down below on how to apply false eyelashes. So go ahead and check that out. So that is how I apply my eyeliner, guys. Like I said, it just takes patient practice and a lot of positivity from within. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have anything else that you would like to learn from me. Don't forget to follow me on all of my socials, linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.